Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate users with Auth0 and Framer projects, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Auth0 website and create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Applications section and select Create Application. Name your application and choose the Single-Page Web Applications option. After creation, locate the client ID and client secret on the Application Settings page. Next, go to the Settings tab and set your application's allowed callback and logout URLs. These URLs will be essential for redirecting users after authentication. Now, open your Framer project and access the code editor. Install the Auth0 SDK by running the command in your terminal. Use the command npm install at auth0/auth0 react. Once installed, import the necessary libraries into your project. At the top of your main application file, import Auth0 provider from the SDK. Wrap your application with the Auth0 provider component. Pass in the necessary parameters like domain and client ID from your Auth0 dashboard. This setup will enable the Auth0 functionality in your Framer project. Now, create a login button in your components. Utilize the Use Auth0 hook to access the Login with Redirect function. When the button is clicked, call the Login with Redirect function. For logout functionality, create another button. Use the logout function from the Use Auth0 hook. Link this button to the logout function to enable user sign-out. Next, implement a way to display user information. Use the user object provided by the Use Auth0 hook. Add conditional rendering to show user details once authenticated. Finally, test your application to ensure the authentication flow works seamlessly. Debug any issues that arise during testing for a smooth user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.